Hi, friends. Welcome to How to Name It, the channel where we explore the world of flavors, travel adventures, and about anything and everything that interests us. I am an anesthetic doctor by trade. My main job is to put patients off to sleep and look after them with love and care. But when I am not in operating theatre, I am out in the world, exploring, cooking, and discovering anything and everything that piques my interest. I've always believed that life is an incredible journey, and on this channel, I invite you to join me on some of the most mesmerizing adventures around the globe. But that's not all. We'll also dive into the world of culinary delights. We'll whip up some fantastic dishes together. And it doesn't stop there. This channel is a place where curiosity knows no bounds. We'll delve into intriguing topics, uncover hidden gems, and share fascinating stories. So, if you are someone as curious and adventurous as I am, then please hit that subscribe button and join us so we can explore the world together. Welcome once again.